Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this summer outfit in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and you can use this outfit for summer theme or beach theme. It's up to you, but this is so cute and I'm going to show you how you can create this one. Alright, to create this outfit guys, you just need some items. First, you can select this item from the cards item and then you can choose the top only and then add the chains. And then for the color, you can color it like this. Pink color for the first selection, and for the second selection and also the third selection, make it this orange color. And then you're going to put on this top. This is from the petal update, and then you're going to make it this pink color and also this green color and this orange color. And then for the sleeves, you can choose the sleeves from the Madoka set, and then you're going to color it like this. Wait, let me show you. Pink and green and orange and orange. Okay, then you're going to put on this card. This is from the summer update and you're going to color it like this. Combine pink and green and also this orange color. Okay, and then you're going to put on this belt, make it this color, and this belly ring. Okay, and make it this color. Okay, and for the heels, actually you can replace it with another heels or shoes, it's up to you. Okay, and finally you will have this look. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.